Guys, little blue Mike is here. Today another video, and today I am reviewing plastic. Not really plastic, it's actually fidget spinner. So I'm so happy because I have my first fidget spinner. So it's actually a crab fidget spinner. So I want to show you guys. So it's plastic Giro, but it's not really plastic. They just changed the box. So get up. Oh no, stop. Oh my god, it's so heavy. I can hold it. Plastic, so heavy. Oh. Without plastic. It really looked like it. Really? Okay. I want to do in the plastic. It just popped out of nowhere. All of these little balls. That's what I always do, but it's there's little balls in plastic. Now, it's so pretty. Look how metal it is. There got gold, I got silver, so... Oh my god, it really worked. So, Jorog set a time, so it says actually like 40 minutes. No, 41 minutes, sometimes 30 minutes, and his has 1 minute, so wiggly. You can also put the ring, it's so shiny. Okay. I want to do, hit the old camera. Oh no, it's not it, okay. Oh, it's rolling, it's stopping. This is a bit down, so there. Ow! Oh, I got the new one, so. I want to do is not right in my paper, but in my studio book. It's my first studio light. Super color, so beautiful. And there's a tie in there. There's a tie. Okay. So amazing. I'm just gonna cover that one. There. But it's almost beside the camera, so I'm not putting it there. So this is so amazing. So I got 2 Easter eggs here. I'm only gonna open one. So, I want to do is to make my camera really far. So here is my fidget spinner. The egg in the top. It is so beautiful. Wait, and a little bit loud. Okay, the spinning is done now. Mommy, love it.
I just felt like he was poised to come out and make some shots tonight.
So, Fidget, you stay here.
You know, he guards so many people out there, and he has such a responsibility.
Okay. Now it's time to open it up. So there's many things. It's mini fidget spinner. What? This must be a troll. Okay. This must be a troll. It is a troll. Nothing inside. I know it's nothing inside the next one. There's a lot of troll thingies. Oh my god, it is a troll. Another mini egg. It should be a fidget spinner. Oh no! Oh no! This is a fidget spinner video. Why does it have sharp pins? This one is apple blossom apple. I mean apple blossom. I don't know what names this. I think it's apple blossom. Blossom apple. No, Apple Blossom, yeah. So, I don't have the Shopkins list anymore because
Can we repeat the formula?
I don't
The
have
answer
it.
was no.
I give it to someone.
Tonight was a game
So
based on
cute.
talent.
Now time to spin you
We
up
had,
in a fidget
live
spinner.
guys who played exceptionally well individually. And
How
they played
many
with great energy.
eggs are
And in
these?
Cleveland,
Okay.
we're going to have to be a lot smarter. We played that same game in Cleveland.
One.
We mentioned the adjustments.
Okay.
This really was a chess match kind of game.
Close all of these eggs. So the 1, 2, really look like a height of them. 3 and 4. There is 4 Easter egg. So he's gonna put it back like a real troll. Here, you.
But they really changed a lot.
You.
And we had to
How did someone do that? I don't know how.
And,
I think we need to get this one.
Again, our guys responded really well.
And this one.
We learned just before the game, about an hour and a half before game time.
And this one. Oh. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no, no, no. It should fit. Oh, there. So amazing. We got 2 fan toys. So sorry guys, the camera is a bit silly. Ow. Silly because it's so silly. Okay. So I am so happy with this fidget spinner and it's so wonderful to look at. Okay. So guys, what I want to do is... Oh no, it's moving. Okay. What I want to do, guys, is actually I want to take a look at this fidget spinner. So this fidget spinner is so metal, it's so really heavy. So this is my hand. It's so heavy. Oh my gosh. And also there is kind of balls. It should be a little bit crystal because this is a crab fidget spinner. Because look at these. Look at a crab like that. I don't know why are you doing there. Okay. So also it's so beautiful. Spin it if you and it's glow at night, and then there's something white that should be the glow dust in it. So what I want to say, guys, so I really love the ninja stars. So I want to teach you guys how to use this fidget spinner. If you don't have a fidget spinner, you can just watch and until you learn how to do fidget spinner. Okay. Oh my gosh. Just a little rock. A little Play-Doh. Look on, stand. Okay, standing now. Over here is you just need to touch the middle of the thumb in the front, and this one, the second one, the pointing finger should be at the back. So if you want it like that, you can also just do it like that. I want to do it like this. So now, if you want to spin, some of you guys do like that. Do like that. Like this, like they do like this and like that. So I am gonna do is I wanna put my finger in the middle of the fidget spinner and then twist it out.
They going at it, but they going at it from a basketball standpoint. I don't see any dirtiness. I don't see any chippiness.
Well, let's spin it.
Heavy competition between the two.
Let's spin it.
In the past, I was just told LeBron James yesterday during practice. Generally speaking, it's uncomfortable from everywhere.
Okay, it's done spinning. So I want to do is to put apple blossom in it and spin it. Oh, and knock apple blossom away. Oh no! Ow. Okay. It also knocked me away. So. So, guys, please be careful of the babies. Please guide with your parents if it is you're playing this, because it says here, 0 to 3 years old is not allowed. So make sure you look at your child. So I'm just a little kid, so I'm good at this now. So Joe knows cool tricks in
I'm gonna show you, huh?
And fidget spinner.
So okay.
One hand.
I'm not a
Pretty.
pass guy.
Are you switching it?
Present guy, so
I don't know the.
The switch thingy?
Yeah.
Still learning. Oh! You did it!
Shoot! That was impossible.
Yeah.
That was impossible.
Yes, Sadie.
That's
impossible. You need to keep on learning until you got it, okay? Oh my God, you drop it!
That was impossible.
That was just new. That one day. Oh my gosh, I keep on doing that, but it doesn't work. That's nice catch. Huh? Huh? Okay.
So, to answer your question. Some wine, I'll be all right.
Kanino nga tong PE? Sa'yo ba to kay Kuya?
Thanks guys for watching. I hope you like it. Please like and subscribe my channel, Georg's channel, Sean and the Vlogs channel, and Eric You and Alvarez channel. Thanks guys for watching. Bye bye.
He's been such a big piece of our success the last 3 years, obviously, so we can do it better.